I created this stunning, reusable, on-brand presentation template for all of my workshops, webinars, events from scratch in less than a minute with Pitch Agent, and I'm going to show you exactly how I did it so that you can do it too, because look at this beautiful, beautiful slide deck. All of that I didn't have to do manually, and I can use it again and again, and it looks so, so cute. The style is based on, look, even charts. The style is based on my community's website, which is launchanyway.com. So you can see the style is very, very, very similar, same colors, fonts, everything. And how you can do it too is you go to Pitch, you click New Template, you select Build a Branded Template, you enter your domain, so mine is launchanyway.com, select it. It is creating template slides now. Pitch Agent is creating the slides. You can see it created these beautiful, beautiful slides, and you can choose, if you want to change something, like the accent colors that it pulled from your website. This is my signature orange, so I'm gonna keep that. You can change the image style as well, and you can also change the font, so you can change it like this, or you can upload your own later on. So let's click Generate Presentation for now. Generate Presentation. This is the template that AI has created for me, right? It looks stunning already. Beautiful. And now I can still change some things if I want to. If you're using, for example, custom fonts that are not available publicly, then you may need to upload them to your Pitch account so that they are available to use in this slide deck template or throughout your account. So you can do that by going here, editing the template, and then uploading the fonts, right? So you can upload your font here. You can make any small tweaks if you need to. You can of course also update your logo by replacing this image here. And in the end, like after you make one or two small edits, see, you can have your beautiful, beautiful slide deck that, used to take ages to find the right hex codes from your website, from your brand book, and then manually add it to your presentation tool of choice. And now Pitch Agent can do it for you. Isn't that really cool? So if you want to try it out, I'm going to leave a link in the first comment so you can create your own presentation template in seconds with Pitch Agent. Thank you so much to Pitch for partnering with me. I really love the tool. I've been using it for all of my slides, for webinars, workshops, events, and more, consultations, overviews. I use it for everything, and with the Pitch Agent it's become even more fast and easy and efficient to create beautiful looking slides that are on brand and feel like me. Like these are some recent ones that I've shared with you, the workshop slides from a personal branding workshop, the viral lead magnets workshop that I gave in person in Berlin, the free post LinkedIn blueprint workshop that I gave, my solopreneur experience recap with video explanations as well, because you can embed videos in Pitch. It's amazing. Or the LinkedIn profile audit template that I recently shared was also created with Pitch Agent, which is incredible. The slides look fantastic and I've gotten amazing feedback. So thank you so much, and I can't wait to see what you build with Pitch. Bye bye.